Hi, I'm Kiara Pineda from 403, and even though I don't own a car, I don't know how to drive one, and I haven't even started learning yet, I'm going to show you how to change a tire. Well, first of all, after you realize there's a tire issue, you must find a safe and flat space to pull your car over, set the parking brake, and turn the hazard light. Also, you can apply a wheel wedge. Then you can find the location of the spare tire and the tools, which are usually underneath the carpet or on the trunk. Here I'm naming the tools I'm going to use, for example the L-shaped wrench, and of course the jack. If you take that off, you can see my spare tire. Before racing the car, you must loosen a little bit the lug nuts. Why? Because you'll need a lot of strength. My dad helped me. And having the car placed on the ground will be way safer. Then, using your jack, you're going to raise the car. You must find the jacking point on your car. If you're unsure of the exact point, you can find it on your owner's manual for your vehicle. After you've secured your jack in the proper place, you can take your lever and your wrench and turn it clockwise. There are many types of jacks, but mine is a scissor jack. As the name suggests, it's composed of two interconnecting scissor mechanisms. There's a base for resting at the bottom and a lifting saddle at the top. Running through the middle of the jack, there's connecting of two sides through their respective hinges. It's a long threaded screw. Turning the screw either opens or closes the two scissor joints, thereby raising or lowering the saddle. After some time, your tire should not be touching the ground anymore. The next step would be fully unscrew your lug nuts. Here you can use a little bit of the help of the wrench to take it out, and then you can proceed to use your hands. After all of your lug nuts are undone, you can proceed to remove the tire by pulling it toward yourself. Then you can take your new tire and put it in the place of the old one. Then, as you can see, I secured the lug nuts enough to keep the tire in place, but I didn't fully tighten them. Then I lowered the car using the lever and the wrench as I lifted it, but now I turned it counterclockwise. Once your tire is completely on the ground, you can remove the jack. Finally, you should summon all your force and tighten the lug nuts. Here you can observe how I generated a larger torque when I applied force from a greater distance from the axis of rotation, which in this case is the lug nut. I also tried to use a 90-degree angle, which would give me a maximum torque. And obviously, after you've changed your tire, you should return all of your tools to their place, just in case you might need it again. That would be all on how to change a tire. Thank you so much.